This is a classic for a reason: tender, flavorful, and incredibly comforting. Today, we're making a beef pot roast that's so simple, anyone can master it. Get ready for a meal that practically cooks itself and fills your home with amazing aromas. You'll need a 3-pound chuck roast, a tablespoon of olive oil, and a chopped onion. Don't forget 2 carrots and 2 celery stalks, both chopped. We'll also use 2 cups of beef broth, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a teaspoon each of dried thyme and rosemary. Salt and pepper to taste are essential. First, pat your chuck roast dry and season generously with salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Sear the roast on all sides until beautifully browned, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. This step builds incredible flavor. Remove the roast and add the chopped onion, carrots, and celery to the pot. Sauté for about 5 minutes until softened. Pour in the beef broth and Worcestershire sauce, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom. This deglazing adds even more depth. Return the roast to the pot. Sprinkle in the dried thyme and rosemary. Bring the liquid to a simmer, then cover the pot tightly. Transfer it to a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cook for about 3 to 4 hours, or until the beef is fork tender. Once cooked, remove the roast and vegetables from the pot. You can thicken the pan juices for a delicious gravy if you like. Slice or shred the tender beef and serve it with the flavorful vegetables. This hearty meal is perfect for family dinners or cozy evenings. Enjoy your incredible homemade pot roast.